In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bitwarden to Chrome. If you're looking for a simple way to manage passwords securely, the Bitwarden browser extension is a great place to start. It lives right in your toolbar, so saving and filling logins becomes quick and consistent across the web. Begin by opening the official Bitwarden extension page in the Chrome Web Store. If you don't have the link handy, you can search for Bitwarden Chrome extension and look for the listing from the official Bitwarden publisher. This helps ensure you're installing the genuine tool. On the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up to let you know what the extension can do within your browser. Go ahead and click Add Extension to continue. You'll see Chrome download and install it automatically, and in a moment the extension will be ready to use. After it's installed, look to the top right of Chrome for the puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. Click that to open your Extensions menu. Find Bitwarden in the list and click the pin icon to keep it visible on your toolbar. Pinning it makes it easy to access whenever you need to save a password or generate a new one. Now click the Bitwarden icon in your toolbar to open it. If you already have a Bitwarden account, sign in with your credentials to unlock your vault. If you're new to Bitwarden, choose the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. Take a moment to choose a strong, memorable master password because this is the key that protects everything in your vault. Once signed in, you're ready to put the extension to work. Bitwarden can save and autofill passwords as you log into sites, which reduces the need to remember or reuse passwords. It can also generate strong, unique passwords for new accounts, helping you improve security without extra effort. Your vault syncs across your devices, so passwords you save in Chrome are available on your phone and other browsers where you're signed in. Beyond passwords, Bitwarden can also store passkeys and secure notes, giving you a single encrypted place for sensitive information you need to access quickly. That's it. You've added Bitwarden to Chrome, pinned it to your toolbar, and you're ready to sign in or create an account. Keep the icon handy and let Bitwarden handle the heavy lifting so you can browse with confidence and save time at every login.